Hello students, I am Dr. Ankit Katrodia, currently working as a senior lecturer in Menkosa. Welcome to Strategic Marketing Management video lecture. Let me explain what do you understand by marketing. Marketing is the process by which company create customer interest in product or services. Marketing is used in our day-to-day life and business as well. So, marketing is important. If we go back to the history of marketing, it all has started with Bata system, where buyers and sellers exchange their goods and services. The simple way to understand what is marketing is to identify the need of the customer. Now, as a marketer, what do you supposed to do? To identify need of the customer and fulfill the need of the consumer. As we know that there are basic two types of the need. First, met need and unmet need. The reality is that only few companies are trying to find unmet need of the consumer. The difference between good company and great company is that good companies try to meet the need of the customer which are already met, while the great company try to fulfill both met need as well as unmet need. Let me give an example to you. Think about Apple, Google, Wikipedia, Facebook. What they people are doing? They are just simply understand both the need of the customer and the reason they are success in the business. And as we know that customer is the king of the market. And now the difference between marketing management and the strategic marketing management. So, strategic marketing management is the way a firm effectively differentiate itself from its competitors by increasing their strength to provide consistently better value to customer than competitors. In another way, strategic marketing work very close with the vision and mission statement of the firm. They do innovate and they do better use of the marketing strategy. And the reason to do that is to maintain the customer, to grow the customer. And that is the best part of the strategic marketing management. The strategic marketing management always do to create a better value for the customer. To give a better value, indirectly, the company achieve customer relationship management. And the customer relationship management is the key success element for any organization. And that will achieve the basic two objectives of the firm. Most of the companies are now focused on the repeat purchase. And they try to manage customer need and want. All these companies are nowadays try to focus on customer retention and customer acquisition strategy, like business process to create quality based production and innovative in marketing activities. To understand the difference between marketing and strategic marketing, there are the two basic main questions that need to understand. First, what is the organizational main activity at a particular time? The answer is customer value. And the second question is, what are the primary goal of the company and how they will achieve it? The answer is customer satisfaction and value based product and services. Now, we are going to discuss another important concept of the marketing, that is difference between marketing and selling. Most of the time we think that marketing is selling. Marketing is much more better than the selling in reality. Selling is a subset of the marketing. It means there are many elements in marketing. Marketing starts from the identifying the need of the customer. Once the product is ready, then after the selling process starts. Many people think that marketing only as a selling and advertising. Marketing is not the same of the selling. Selling is only one of the many marketing functions, or we can say that selling is just one part of the marketing process. Marketing and advertising are not the same. Advertising is just one of the number of the tactics used by marketing department in a business. If we talk about the other method, that is known as a sales promotion. Sales promotion is all about free gift, discount, sample and many other ways. Now, the question in front of us, what is the exact meaning of sales promotion? The word sales promotion is basically to promote the sales. It means to promote any goods, idea or services. Sales promotion is considered as an investment and it creates the demand for the product. It's all about the strategy to attract the people and increase the sales volume. Sales promotion are used by a wide range of the organization to meet the consumer and the need of the business market. Now to understand marketing more clearly, we need to learn 4 P's and 4 C's of the marketing. These are the basic element of the marketing. If we talk about the 4 P's, product, price, place and promotion. And the 4 C's are: first, customer solution; second, customer cost; third, communication; and 4, convenience. I hope you enjoy this video lecture. Thank you.